What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't been active like I was before, but I'm gonna start being a little bit more active. I won't promise you guys anything just because I don't want to break a promise. So if you guys are new to this channel, hello, my name is Genesis. This is Axel, and Sebastian is currently showering. So for today's video, we are going to the beach, but this is gonna be Sebastian's. This is gonna be Axel's second time at the beach. The first time we went to the beach with him, he was a couple months, I'd say a couple months. And he did not like the water, so we're gonna go ahead and see if he loves the water now, or is it gonna be the same? Who knows? We haven't been to the beach in a long time, so that should be very exciting. Also, my family is coming to the beach with us as well. My mom, my dad, my siblings, my aunt and her husband are gonna come. And yeah, hopefully we have a good time and nobody fights. Nah, just kidding. But hopefully we do have a good time. Hopefully the kids and Axel and my baby sister Tamara enjoy it. And let me tell you, I've been wanting to go to the beach for the longest time and forever, but we would always be busy and never have a me time, a you time, you know, so always working and all that. But I promise you guys, I will be more active. I will start posting a lot more makeup videos since that is what I currently do. But just to you guys see, I only did a soft glam today. Obviously I did my eyebrows, my lashes, but everything else is just a soft glam. I didn't want to go too out there because, ooh, let me show you. I wanted my outfit to be the one that took the breath away, not my makeup this time. So actually, you know what? Let me show you guys my outfit real quick. Let me put you guys here on the table. Oh, you can't really see it, so let's see. Alright, here you go. So this is the outfit that I am wearing. Obviously my bikini is on the bottom. My shorts are right here just because I do not own I don't know where the bottom of this bikini is at. But obviously you can see that it opens right here and right here also, and it's pretty long. It is pretty long, so yes, can't have the sisters too out there. But this is the outfit, guys. Yes, it is. Let me fix my shorts. Looks like, so there you go. There you go. See? See? Ben. Ben. He doesn't want to show you guys his outfit right now, but like, it's so cute. You guys won't believe where I got this. I got this off Amazon. I will go ahead and leave the link to where I got this on Amazon. It's super, super, super cute. So let's give it a twirl. Ben, so you could show them your outfit. Come here. No? Alright, so that's what Mama Bear's wearing. Axel is wearing this. Let me show you. So this is what Axel's wearing. Some little... Yeah, so handsome. But I'm gonna change him. So, but this is what he was wearing. He is gonna wear this. Well, was gonna wear this, but I'm gonna change his shorts and his shirt just because his shorts, as you can see, they do not fit him. They do not fit him, and it's 2T, and Axel wears 2T, so yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and change him and wait for Sebastian to get out of the shower. And then after that, once he's done and we're on the road to go to my mom's house, because we still have to go to my mom's house to pick up my brother. So we're gonna go ahead and pick up my brother, and then we're gonna go ahead and go to the store and buy hot dogs and soda and the hot dog bun, because I forgot to buy the hot dogs yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Did you have a good time so far? So we just got here not that long ago. Yeah, the guys are going to go bring down the hieleras with water and jugos. But let me show you guys. ¡Ay, qué chulo va! ¡Ay, qué chulo va! ¡Pew, pew! ¡Pew, pew! There's Abraham. Say hi.
Hi.
Say what's up to the vlog. It's so beautiful today. Now look at the sun. Yeah. Puppies! Puppies! Look at it! Ah! We're going to the beach. Walking. My feet are burning. Axel don't want to get into the water. He's scared still. I think I found the shell. Looks pretty. Like, oh. It's not a shell. Ooh, Abraham found the shell. Look at this. We found the shell. Let me go wash this. I don't have a bucket with the glitter. Oh my god, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. Look at you guys. This is what I found so far. And Abraham found this big one. Axel's still scared of the water. He started. Oh. He started to crying once we got over here. Already, didn't even touch the water and he started crying. Can't you believe that? These are so cute. Now I need to find some more to put them.
That one has something in it.
I know, that one does have something in it. Look, check it out.
Put it in water, see if it's an animal.
We can't take it home if it's an animal.
Take it.
No, he's in trouble.
I put it in my pocket.
Oh, shoot.
Let me see.
It's a hermit crab. Ay, pobrecito, papá, ¿qué pasó? ¿No que el agua? You don't want the water? The water's so cold. my gosh. So beautiful out here, so sunny. We're just waiting for my mom to arrive at the beach, but it looks good so far. It looks like it's gonna be very hot. So maybe we'll go inside the water, maybe we won't. Axel doesn't want to go. As you can see, he doesn't want to go near the water. As soon as we got here to the where it started getting a little bit colder, he didn't want to enter the water. I think he remembered for when he was little, when we came when he was a couple months, we put him in the water, and I think that still scares him. But we'll see if he will get in. If not, then it's fine. He's having a good time so far. So yeah. Yes, but this is what the beach is looking like so far. It looks like it's going to be a good day today, so we're going to try to have a good day today. Look at my friends over there. They laughed at me the last time we came, they were laughing at us. You know how they go. So crazy, but I'm gonna go ahead and put him down because he is so heavy, so he doesn't want to get down. It's okay, it's okay. You know how to swim?
I think we need to go.
Oh, he's tired already. He's pretending he's tired already so he could go to sleep and he doesn't get in the water. Look at him. Look at him. Look at Look at my papa's pobrecito. Tiene mimis? Yeah? You tired? Yeah? What's up, guys? I'm right here with Tamara, my baby sister. Let me show you. We're gonna go to the water. ¿Verdad que sí? ¿Vamos a ir al agua? Sí, pues. Vamos a ir al agua, ¿verdad que sí? ¿Te vas a mojar? ¿Sí? Okay, let's go. Alright, I'm going to do this in time lapse just because we're going to take a while to get there. So, let's do that. ¡Ay, papas! ¡Yo sé!
el agua. Se cayó. Se cayó.
Sí, pues.
No,
¡Wow, mamá, tú te mojaste!
no,
¿No estás good? I got you, mama. Oh, it's too cold for me, Matana. It's too cold for you, mamas. Yeah, it's too cold. Está frío. Ay, pobrecita, mi amor, pobrecita. Yuppie, mama, yuppie. Oh my gosh, she's so dirty. It's okay, she's been playing in the sand, so that's why.
Yeah.
Ready, jump, jump. Jump. Yay. Vente, otro, 5. 1, 2, 3. Jump! Jump! Come on. She didn't like the water. I didn't expect her to like the water because Axel didn't like the water as well. So that was nothing new. But she ran away from it, so That's I win for Tamara. A win for Tamara. Susie! I'm gonna go back, okay? I'm gonna go back, okay? Okay. I'm gonna go see if they finish making the hot dogs. Ay, ay, ay. So crazy. Crazy, man. Crazy. So crazy. Hi, Mama. Say hi, baby. Say hi, Mama. Say hi. Let's go back. Mi amor. What are you doing, papi? Oh, sí, kiwi. Hey. It's kiwi? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. We're gonna go ahead. Go back to my axle and my mom. Show you guys what we're going to be making. Alright, so I'll see you guys over there. I think so.
Yo estoy tomando todo en vivo, ¿ves? Oh, sí puede. Babe. ¿Segura? ¿No vas a echar nada más?
No, ya.
¿Están buenas?
Las de estas del wing, las enchiladas ni se las están comiendo.
¿Están buenas? Yo no me chingo tan... Pero yo digo, están buenas las brasas ahorita.
Pero sí, no, y ahí están las enchiladas todavía, ni se las
Tú
comieron.
sabes.
Mira la cabeza cómo le quedó. Mira. El año pasado no disfrutó.
No, pues estaba...
What is that? Graduation? Oh yeah? Graduation? Oh, I know. But they're wearing white. Yeah, they're wearing white. How are you spending the time here, Mama? You like it, baby? Yeah, you like it? You having fun? Yeah? Oh, qué chula, mi vida, qué chula. Alright, so we are home. We are home, and let me tell you when I tell you that I have a real bad sunburn on my back. So let me show you. Alright, so do not be alarmed. It's getting taken care of. Alright, so this is my back. I'm also breathing here. This is the triangle where the chest was at. I'm sorry guys, I just woke up, but I wanted to show you guys my sunburn. Yesterday that we got back, I was like, oh my god. I looked at my back. Look at that. So bad. It is so bad. So now I'm stuck wearing t-shirts now because look at how bad it is. But the kids had a good time, so I don't mind. Yeah, you had a good time? You had a good time? Yeah? Oh yeah? Yeah, so Anyways, I'm gonna close this video off. I'm gonna close this video off. So yeah. ¿Le vas a decir algo? You want to tell them something? You're so dirty, baby. You need to shower. You need to shower. Alright guys, so I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, I'll be back. And also remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Yeah, subscribe to this channel and like to this video. I'm so sorry, I just woke up. I literally just woke up. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys my sunburn that I got yesterday. And it's nowhere else but my back. Because I decided to put some screen or some block or whatever on my legs. My arms are sunburned as well. Sunburn as well. What the heck is this? But my back, as you can tell, it is worse. It is worse. Looks, oh my god, it looks so bad. It looks so bad. But it doesn't hurt as much. It doesn't hurt as much. But with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. I'll see you guys in my next